Hello everyone and welcome. Now if you're looking for a way to check the watch history on your child's YouTube and you've not been able to, well, this video is going to help you with that. You see, you can actually review your child's YouTube Kids watch history through your Google account. That's right. Just go to myactivity.google.com. Now this is the central hub for managing your Google activity. So then select YouTube history. So once you select the YouTube history from the list of activities, you'll be able to see a list of videos watched on YouTube Kids using the associated Google account. Then you can filter it by date and time to narrow down your search. It's as simple as that. So ensure you are signed into the correct Google account associated with your child's YouTube Kids usage first before you do this. And next, if you use approved content only, it may actually affect the history, because the watch history will primarily reflect the content you have specifically approved. So regularly review your child's watch history so it will allow you to monitor their viewing habits and make adjustments to their viewing experience as needed. By utilizing the steps, you can effectively monitor your child's YouTube Kids activity and ensure a safe and appropriate viewing experience. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.